Find the second order derivative for the function e power 6x into cos 3x. Let y is equals to e to the power 6x into cos 3x. Hence, differentiating it both the sides with respect to x, we get dy by dx is equals to, for RHS, apply the product rule, cos 3x constant, and d by dx of e to the power 6x is 6 into e to the power 6x plus e to the power 6x constant into minus 3 sine 3x, which is reduced to e to the power 6x into 6 cos 3x minus 3 sine 3x. Again, differentiating this with respect to x, we get d2y by dx square, which is equals to 6e to the power 6x into 6 cos 3x minus 3 sine 3x plus e to the power 6x into 6 into minus 3 sine 3x minus 3 into 3 cos 3x. We have evaluated the RHS by product rule. The RHS is reduced to 9e6x into 3 cos 3x minus 4 sine 3x. Hence, d2y by dx square is 9e to the power 6x into 3 cos 3x minus 4 sine 3x, which is the final answer. Thank you.